fixing the glad hands. The screen cable got cut on the catwalk a while back, so I ordered me a replacement one. We're going to start off by taking that black plastic loop around it. We're going to take that off. So let me do that real quick. I was going to do it all off camera, but I figured I'd show y'all how this works. You just take it, and it just pulls right around. Real easy like. So I'm going to continue doing it off camera, and I'll get back to y'all once I'm done. Alright, you can see I got that black coil slinky off of it, and I got that new one lined up beside it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take a couple zip ties to it and hold it together in a couple spots. That way when I put the slinky back around it, it all stays about the same length. Alright, I got them switched out, and I got this in zip tied. Keep in mind these zip ties are not going to stay. Some of them might wear a hole into it, it might cut into it, it might cause blockages, whatnot. But I'm going to go ahead and put that slinky back on it, and we'll be good to go. And once you've put that slinky back on, you're good to go. Now, do keep in mind, when you're doing it, putting that slinky back on, start on the end that goes against the cab, if there is a different end for you. My glad hands have these rubber handles on it, so I had to start on this end. Put them at a decent place, because if I started on this end, it would have been too much. That way it gives you plenty of room for putting them on and off your trailer. Thank you.